Hello everyone, I am Anjali Arora and today in this video I am going to share the information about the new plus courses which are Unacademy plus courses by the top educators we will have in June. So these are the new courses, and by taking the Unacademy plus subscription you all can start attending the sessions in these important courses which will help you to take your preparation to a good level. And guys, with the help of these courses and the well structured and well planned courses and classes, you will be able to prepare very well in very less time for your upcoming exam. So I hope all these courses are going to be helpful for all of you. So let's have a look at this, that what are the courses for which you can attend the sessions in June and how you can prepare for your upcoming exam very well in this month. So guys, the first one is for the quantum mechanics through PYQs. The second one is advanced classical mechanics course. The third one is detailed course on atomic and molecular physics. The fourth one is complete course on classical mechanics. Then next one is course on electronics and experimental physics, and the another one is the detailed course on mathematical physics. Then course on thermodynamics and statistical physics, then advanced quantum mechanics detailed course, revision course on classical mechanics through previous year questions, detailed course on electronics, course on electromagnetic theory, crash course on physical sciences through top 200 previous year questions, crash course on mathematical and nuclear physics, Excel course on thermodynamics. And guys, there are even many other courses by the top educators. So you can see almost for all the subjects we will have the courses here on Unacademy Plus. So if you think you need the guidance by the top educators and you want to prepare for your upcoming exam under the guidance by the top educators, so guys, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And since right now there are many new courses are going to start on Unacademy Plus, so if you don't want to miss the sessions of these courses, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And whenever you will take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen. And by using and by applying this referral code, you just need to write it as it is, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it, and you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Or guys, if you want, you can use the another referral code, that's gonna be Anjali A, no space in between, and live. Clear? So this is another referral code. You can use just one referral code at a time. All the alphabets you can write in the capital letters and don't leave any space in between. So guys, this is how if you will use and apply the referral code, you will be able to get the 10% discount at the same time as you will apply it. Okay, and just be careful about this thing, that there should not be any space in between and the spelling should be same. Okay, and guys, one more thing, let's say any courses just going on and you even want to attend the sessions of that course, you want to cover up the previous classes discussion of that course, so in that case the recordings of the previous classes will be available to you, and that's how by watching the recordings of the previous classes you will be able to cover up all the discussion which has been done in that particular course. And after that you can start attending the regular live classes in upcoming days in that particular course. And like there will be many new courses in June, so you can even enroll in those new courses and you can start attending the sessions of these courses from the starting. Clear? So this is how guys, if you are waiting for the new courses, if you think like you need to take the guidance by the top educators and which can help you in your preparation, which will surely help you to take your preparation to a very good level, so you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Another thing here is, you can see for some of the subjects I have mentioned it like more than once, because these will be the courses by the different educators and by the top educators. So you will even have choices if you want to attend one particular educator session or one subject from one educator you want to cover up and the another one from the other. So yeah, you can do that. So after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes of well structured and well planned courses by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. Thank you so much everyone. everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you. And guys, to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can download the Unacademy Learning app, or you can directly search Unacademy Plus on Google, and then you can select your goal, which will be CSIR UGC NET, CSIR UGC NET. If you are preparing for the CSIR NET exam. Okay, and thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. And whenever you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code too, as it has been mentioned here, and by applying it you will get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. One more thing, that if you want to know about the subscription amount, okay, so it will be dependent on for how much time you want to take the subscription, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. So depending on that, it will be visible to you in the Unacademy Learning app. So I hope guys, now everything will be clear to all of you. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.